Another day in paradise in beautiful Las Vegas. This weather this weekend was perfect. I think it was just for Father's Day. Anyway, I hope everybody had a beautiful weekend. We're ready to go with 48 days of inventory. Yes, 48 days of inventory. That is fantastic. Let me see. It went 45 last week. It was at 43 a week ago and 39 June the 9th. So away we go. So we have more homes to sell, making more people happy. Keys and easy, right? That's what the buyers want. We know that we have to manage their expectations, though. And the journey's not always keys and easy. Anyway, getting on with it, y'all listed 173 homes this weekend. And Friday, you closed 163 homes. Congratulations. We put 60 under contract over the weekend. And I think that number, let's see, let me go back. That number is pretty steady. We were up at 90 at one point at the beginning of the month. And I think June the 9th, we even did 104 under contract. So that number's a little low, but I think, it's I think you'll increase that, right? We see that we're doing 118 sales a day this month. Now, year to date, we're doing 125 sales. So that's why we have 48 days of inventory. We take the 5,984 total available listings, and we divide that by the 125 transactions we're closing a day, year to date, and come up with 48. Now, if we did this month, that number would probably jump about 10 to like almost 2 months. So, but I'd rather be conservative and go with the year to date. Since it is the middle of the month, or almost, we only have 10 more days in this quarter, and then we're going to be in the third quarter of the year. Good time to reevaluate what you're doing with your business.